Sleepy Bean. Sleepy Bean. Hey, Sleepy. You're too tired to be in my video. Okay. First of all, I want to welcome everyone who may have found my channel through the video I posted where I recreated Simply Nailogical's nail tutorial. Also, hi to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you being here. Also, hi to my haters, because I must be doing something right to get 7 dislikes. So now I'm going to show you how I achieve this look. So for this color scheme, I'm going for a purple pink look. So I have the white and the silver hollow in here to give it a little pop of brightness, and have a magenta hollow, this color shifting to give it extra dimension. It's teal to purple, this magenta with a blue shimmer, and then this hot fuchsia color. So let's get started to making the decal. So to make the decal, I pretty much just dripped the polish all over this. This is a ham lid because I make ham and cheese sandwiches sometimes for lunch. But anyway, basically from my experience, the color that you do first and is at the bottom is the color you're going to see least. So the color that you want most, you'll want to drip last. So I think I'm going to go in with the white and the hollow because I kind of want those spread out and not the main focus of the decal. So I'm going to start just dripping away. So now we're going to start swirling it around. I'm going to swirl it a little bit off of camera, and so it'll be easier for me to see it, and then I'll show you the finished decal. Here it is. So right now I would consider my nails to be at a medium stumpiness. I mean, they've grown out a little bit since I planned to do this video, since I broke this fingernail. But to start off this look, I'm going to be using a peel-off base coat. And yes, you may, if you came from Christine's videos, you may notice that I'm using her favorite peel-off base coat. Because why try to find your favorite when she already did all the work for us, you know? So I'm going to start applying this. And you may notice that I'm not wrapping the tip of my nail because if I did, I would just be painting on my skin. Now, as the base color, I'm going to be applying Liquid Leather by China Glaze. And I think this also won Christine's best black drugstore nail polish, so again, did the work for me, didn't even have to think about it. So when I do designs where I put something thicker on top or do a bunch of layers, I typically like to go in with a color that I know is going to be opaque in a minimal amount of coats. Wow, it's really hard to paint when you're talking. Just because I don't like to add additional layers if I don't have to, and just so I'm more likely to get a design that I like if it's not lumpy, you know? Now for the nail decal that we made, I let this dry for several hours, then I peeled it up off the lid and then put it back down on the lid and actually put it inside the ham container because I didn't want to do my nails at that point and I was afraid that it would dry out. And that seemed to work. I mean, I don't know if it actually would have dried out, but that's what I did, and it still seems pretty flexible. So now I'm going to start cutting this into strips to place down my nail. And before you go commenting, hey girl, can you use a pizza cutter to cut that? You know, I already tried that for you, and yeah, it didn't work. So, but yes, I'm going to start cutting this into strips. Now I'm going to smooth off the bottom on all the strips that I cut. You actually probably could have done this to begin with, but I'm doing this now on all the individual strips instead of just cutting the bottom of the first one. Why did I do that? Okay. I did this so you could learn from me. You don't have to make the same mistakes. Now that I have the strip of the nail decal that I made cut, I'm very simply going to take my top coat, which is such feet, and going to paint a strip just down the middle. Very thin strip, you don't want it too thick. And I'm going to pick up my piece and lay it down, making sure that the base of it lines up with the base of my nail. And I'm going to very gently tap it down. Now, since my nails are stumpy, I'm going to take the scissors and cut off the remaining excess. Make sure you don't cut your finger in any way, but I'm going to cut the excess instead of wrapping it under my nail, since that would just be on my skin. And I'm going to do this to the rest of my nails, and then I'll be back. So I'm not here to lie to you, but I definitely bumped this nail as I was flattening it out. And the good thing about this design is it's marbled, so I just cut a tiny little piece and stuck it over the bump part, and I don't even feel like you can tell the difference. Can you tell? Okay, now I'm going to finish off the look by just simply applying a quick dry top coat. And here's the finished look. I think this is an awesome design for if you're wanting to get the marbled look, but you're not wanting to wrap your whole nail, because if you put the nail decal all over your nail, that can get difficult trying to fit it and making sure it's secure and using acetone around your nail. So I really like this design, putting a strip down the nail, because it's easy, simple, and you still get the effect that you like. I post nail videos every Monday and cat videos every Thursday. I hope you stay and watch another video. Bye!